Welcome back to my channel, Style for Life. Today I'm going to reveal a couple items that I picked up from Chanel. I'm very excited about these items. Some are beauty items and one is an accessory. So the first one comes in this box right here. It says Chanel, and these are a few beauty items that I picked up. Of course, it comes nicely packaged. So the first item is this box right here that has in some Le Cotton facial pads for your face. These I will use to take off makeup off my face. Currently I'm using Shiseido and those are also very soft, but I decided I would like to try the Le Cotton by Chanel. You get 100 of these cotton pads for $20, whereas the Shiseido you get 150 cotton pads for $10 from Sephora. So I'm going to try to see if these, how these perform, and I'll be back to tell you all about it, to do a review about it. But my friend here on YouTube, Magdalena, said these were very soft, luxurious. So I am going to try these and let you know how they perform. So these are the cotton pads, Le Cotton, and you can get this off the Chanel website. And then I picked up 3 nail colors, and because I purchased it during the holidays, I got some beautiful samples here from Chanel. They were very, very generous. They sent me a sample of Gabrielle, which I love. I have the full size of this. They sent me Coco Mademoiselle, and then they sent me 2 deluxe samples of the Gabrielle, which I am going to enjoy and put in my pochette because I love this fragrance so very much. So let me show you the colors that I picked up from Chanel. This one is called Pirate, and it is a true red color. It looks like this, very, very rich and beautiful red color, and that's called Pirate. The next color is Prune Dramatique, and it is a very beautiful plummy prune, deep, rich color. It looks like this. And I'm going to be doing my nails tonight, and I think I'm going to use this one because it is winter. And the last one, I can't pronounce the French name for it, but it is number 505, and it is this beautiful brown taupey color. Isn't that wonderful? It would even match what I have on today. Just simply, simply lovely. So those are the 3 colors, number 505, the taupey color, and then we have the prune color, 628 is the number, and 08, which is the pirate red color. All right, so now we're going to open the box with my accessory, and I already opened the box, but of course it has the Chanel. And I removed the ribbon and everything just to save on time because we all know what that looks like. And it comes in this lovely Chanel pouch to reveal this beautiful, beautiful lambskin belt. And I'm going to take off the plastic bubble. It is in silver hardware. And let me tell you, it feels like butter. So this is the Chanel belt. It retails for $700. It is reversible. The other side is this rich burgundy color. You can see that. So all you do is you just simply slide this off and put it on the opposite side. So I love that. So technically you're getting 2 belts in one. I tend to buy my luxury belts when they can be when they are reversible, because I feel like you're paying $700. It has to, you have to have it be reversible to wear on both sides, because that makes sense to me. But I love this belt with the silver hardware. I wanted to get the one that had all crystals in it that's spelled out Chanel. It's very, very beautiful, but my essay says keep in mind that if the crystals fall out, you're going to have to keep on sending it back and forth to Paris, and it's going to be worn on your hip and you may hit something, whereas this one is just classic and flat. Don't have to worry about crystals. So I took her advice and I'm very happy that I got it. I love the size of it in terms of you can wear it both on your hip and on your waist. It's thin enough where it could go through all your pant loops. And I bought the 85. I also ordered the 90 as well to compare it. and the 85 fit better on my hip as well. So what I had her do, I had her add 2 holes at the end of the belt so I can wear it on my waist and on my hip, because I would like that, you know, to at least have it be worn both ways, both on my hip and my waist. So this is how it would be worn on my waist. I'm wearing a poncho right now, so you probably won't. Okay, so this is how it would be worn on my waist with a dress, or, you know, with a sweater or something. And then I have the holes where I can wear it on my hip as well. So I really, really like that. And I love the color on the back. It's a deep, I don't think the lighting is doing any justice, but it's a very, very beautiful, deep, rich burgundy color. So yes, so this is my beautiful new belt from Chanel. So very happy to have this in my collection. I don't currently have a luxury belt in silver, so I'm happy to have this one. Oh, I don't know if I told you, it retails for $700, and that is the information there if you're interested to tell your essay. There you go. Yeah, so thank you so much for joining me today and my new purchase from Chanel, the belt and my nail color. Have a wonderful day, and I will be back with another one soon. Bye-bye.